Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I wash my engine. Now you see stuff like the sediment in all those little areas where you can't really get. And what we're going to do too is I'm going to spray the engine down from top to bottom. I have a little bit of this stuff here left. I think always something going on this goddamn street. I think there's I think this is S1000. Well, I'm holding the camera. I'm trying to look around because I could have sworn I saw people in back of me. Because there's always something going on this goddamn fucking street. These people, they don't know how to sit still, man. They can't be put. You know, this is one of the reasons why I want to move away from here. I want to go out to the country. So anyway, I did the rest of the bike last night, and we're going to do the engine today. It's probably going to. We're supposed to have severe downpours starting right around 6 p.m. So as you can see, it's already getting cloudy. It's like 11 a.m. in the morning. Okay, now this stuff here, I got a little bit left in a can, just enough to do the engine. Supposed to shake it real good. You can't apply this to a hot engine. And you're supposed to let this sit for about 10 minutes. Yeah, I could tell this is coming to an end. There's very little left in the can. I think we're done. Okay guys, now I use an electric sprayer to spray the engine. What I have mixed in here is I have a mixture of soap and zip wax. And I'm heavy on the soap, by the way. The soap ratio is real heavy. Okay, now we're going to wash it down one more time. Okay, now with an empty reservoir, I'm going to actually blow dry it with this. Okay, now with a chamois, we're going to get the large parts. and since I'm using zip wax it at the same time. So that's how I spray my engine off, guys. Hey guys, I want to model these two sunglasses I got from on Amazon. They're called G-Look. They're pronounced G-Look. It's spelled G-E-E-L-O-O-K. They're about $13.97 a pair. These are the dark tinted ones I got for myself. You know, and I like them. They're pretty. They're pretty well made. You know, and they're flat. They're flat lens. Now those are dark tinted ones. I bought these from my old lady. These are pink mirror. See yourself in it. They have a whole bunch of other ones. And once more, let me do the Scarface glasses I got here. I found these. Remember I told you guys? Guys, I love this car, man. I should have bought this sucker a long time ago. See this thing up here, press a button. Now it has two sunroofs, but the rear sunroof is stationary. Just this first one goes back, which it kind of sucks, you know. Now, I hope that's made out of good material, otherwise the sun's going to deplete it, you know, and that's going to wind up, I mean, if this sits in the sun for a long time, which the glass is tinted, so it may last a long time. Now, this is all-wheel drive. This is the all-wheel drive CTS. The only thing I'm changing on this is the brakes. The brakes are too soft. I'm changing the brakes. Probably at the end of July, I'll do a brake job on this. What I wanted to talk to you guys about is us moving to Maine. I really want to move to Maine because the main thing, guys, with moving to Maine is the homes are very affordable up there. What you could get with $130,000 is a lot more than what you can get here in Pennsylvania. You can actually get a dream house up there for $130,000, even $100,000. You could literally get a fucking dream house. Where here you can't. Here you get a duck plucking shack for $130,000. But up in Maine, you can get a nice goddamn place. You can get a place off grid. Comes with a modern generator or a solar system for $120,000, $130,000. Now, I don't know if that's how far. I don't know if I want to go out to rural Maine or if I want to move into a town yet. You know, going out into rural where you don't have a mailbox, where you're going to have to go to a post office to pick your mail up, that I don't know about. I mean, once I get real old, I don't know if I'll be able to do that. So, I don't know. I don't know if that's what I want to do yet. But right now, that's where we're aiming our sights. We're aiming our sights on northern Maine. Now, if you go on a website, there's a website, it's called Northern Maine Realty. That's a heck of a website. You know, you put in the amount of money you want to spend, and then you hit a search, the type of residence you want, and it comes up with all kind of homes. You know, everybody will say, oh, why do you want to move to Maine? They get a lot of snow up there. You know, yeah, they might get a little more snow, but it doesn't last forever, you know. their winter season up there is about two weeks longer than the one here in Pennsylvania. That's the only difference. There's almost no difference. You know, yeah, you might have some moose up there too. You might have more wildlife, but I could deal with that. I could deal with shit like that. But right now, that's what I want to do. For the primary reason is the value that you can get. You can get a much nicer house. I mean, around here, you know, if my ceiling of what I want to spend here is 130, 150,000, man, I'm gonna be living in a goddamn fucked up shack. It's gonna need a lot of work. But up there, you get a heck of a nice house. So, yeah, that's what I'm seriously thinking of doing, guys. I'm seriously considering that. You know, I'd love to move down south, but it's just not in the cards. I have to go to what I can afford. You know, I have to go where it's economically better for me and my wife. So, okay, yeah, those are G-Look glasses. I love them. And they're flat and they're the John Lennon style, but they're oversized. They're real big. The lens are actually larger than a soda can. That's how the diameter of a soda can. That's how big the lenses are. All right, take it easy.